Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to Office and ensure Windows or Mac OS is fully updated so activation services can reach servers. Once done, open any Office app and choose File Account to check the current activation state. If prompted, enter your 25-character product key or select Sign In. This links the license to your account. Make sure the system clock is correct and temporarily disable VPN or strict firewalls so the activation handshake can complete. You proceed to the deeper fixes when the simple sign-in fails. Run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to detect license or connectivity issues. Next, use Settings Apps Office Modify and choose Quick Repair, then Online Repair if problems persist. Online Repair reinstalls activation components. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account that holds the license. Verify license assignment in your Microsoft 365 account or admin portal if applicable. Once these steps finish, restart an Office app and try. You finish by cleaning residual license data. On Windows, run the Office Software Protection Platform script or OSP. VBS to list licenses and remove orphan keys. On Mac OS, sign out and delete license plist files before reinstalling. If activation still fails, uninstall Office completely, reboot, and install fresh from your account portal, then sign in. If nothing works, gather the exact error code and activation logs, and contact Microsoft Support. Provide those details so they can resolve account or server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.